Welcome to Miss Corrigan's Year 8 Maths classroom. Today's lesson we're going to be looking at 8F, which is how to simplify expressions. The easiest way to simplify expressions is to start by bunching like terms. Do you know what a like term is? So what are like terms? Like terms are expressions that contain or have in them the same pronumeral. What is a pronumeral? Can you remember? A pronumeral is a letter or combination of letters that can be worth any value. Any numerical value. Some letters that can be pronumerals are like the letter A or B. Often in maths we use the letter X as a pronumeral, and sometimes it can be combinations of letters. Sometimes it can be AB. AB is a different pronumeral to A or B. We can also have pronumerals that are letters squared. For example, X squared. X squared is a different pronumeral to just X. Let's consider this expression: 7a plus 6b plus 3a plus 2b. Let's identify our like terms to start with. We've got a's and we've got b's. So you can see we've got 7a and 3a, and we've got 6b and 2b. If we rewrite our equation so that the numbers that are like each other are next to each other, we would have 7a plus 3a plus 6b plus 2b. Now our terms that are like each other are bunched together. But let's simplify them. Let's write it so it's as simple as possible. 7a plus 3a is 10a. 6b plus 2b is 8b. And that would be our final answer. Here's an expression with some negative values in it. 8m minus 2n minus 4m plus 5n. Let's identify our like terms. So we've got an m here, 8m, and we've got a negative 4m. Our other pair of like terms are negative 2n and positive 5n. Let me rewrite them so they're next to each other. We're going to bunch our like terms. So 8m, and I'm going to move the negative with the 4m, so it's negative 4m. I'm going to move the negative in front of the 2n with it, so I've got negative 2n plus 5n. So now you can see I've got my m's together and I've got my n's together. Let's simplify this expression. 8m minus 4n's leaves me with just 4m. Minus 2n plus 5n will leave me with 3n. And that's the final answer. Here's a tougher expression for you to figure out. I've got 2u plus 3t plus 4tu minus t plus 3u. As always, our first step is to identify our like expressions. So here we go. We've got 2u, and let's look for any other u. There's one at the end, a positive 3u. We've got positive 3t. Does it have a like expression anywhere? Yes, it's got negative t. That leaves plus 4tu by itself. Now, it's not a like expression to anything with a t, and it's not a like expression to anything with a u, because it is a tu, which is a different pronumeral to just t or just u. Let's rewrite our expression. 2u plus 3u plus 3t minus t plus 4tu at the end. Let's check that our like expressions are together. There's the u's together. There's the t's together. And this one, just hanging on the end, can't be punched with either of the others. So we're going to simplify our expression. 2u plus 3u is 5u. 3t minus 1t leaves me with a positive 2t. And we can't punch the last guy, so he just hangs on the end there. That's our final expression. Here's one last question to show you how to do this before you go and attempt the exercise yourself. I've got x squared plus 2x plus 6x squared minus 7x. In this, x squared is only a like term with other terms that also have an x squared in it. So x squared plus 6x squared are like terms. The terms with just x's in it can only be like terms with themselves. So let's rewrite that, bunching our like terms. We've got x squared plus 6x squared plus 2x minus 7x. Let's check that our like terms are together. There's our squares, and there's our just x's. We finish by simplifying our bunched terms. So we've got x squared plus 6x squared. That's 7x squared. And we've got 2x minus 7x, so that puts me in the negatives at -5. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. Good luck with your exercises, and remember you can replay any of this as you need to.